Today's video is sponsored by Auxito. Auxito offers a variety of products, not limited just to Grand Prix. There's different makes and models. You can purchase light bulbs, headlights, tail lights, seat covers, license plate lights, etc. And also offers vacuums, jumper boxes, and you also get an air compressor as well. Use the link in the description and use coupon code HAND1T and get 15% off on your purchase. Now on to the video. Hi, today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Auxito LED lights for the 04 to 08 Grand Prix. So with the Auxito LED lights I have on the side of the box, the size that you purchase, which is in our case we needed 9006, which would be the low beam on the Grand Prix. High beams are 9007. So I will take this off. Nice presentation. As you can see, they actually provide gloves, so I really didn't need them, but presentation is everything. So that's nice. They give you a nice set of gloves. User manual for install. Nice presentation. And here are the bulbs. Notice how they have the fan. Really nice quality. So now let's see how they go on. Now we're going to install the light bulbs. I'd like to mention that these are 6000K 100-watt 20,000 lumen LED bulbs. Should light up pretty good. So the tools that's going to be needed on the 04 to 08 Grand Prix is you're going to need a 10mm bolt to remove this bolt, and you're going to lift this up, and then we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver to remove the current LED bulb that's in here safely. So let's begin. So we're going to take this and pop this bolt out. Lift this up and just pop our headlight out. Now we're going to take our Phillips screwdriver and we're going to loosen the 3 Phillips screws. You don't get them all the way out, just loosen them, because it's going to bring this metal plate up so you can spin the old bulb out easy. Okay. Once you do that, we're going to disconnect our old bulb. Spin our old one out. Just like that. Now, notice the quality. This is pretty much all one piece, or this is on by 2 piece. Definitely, this is a better quality than this one. So we're going to take our bulb, pop it on in, turn it, and we're going to tighten our screw. Now after you install that, make sure your 3 screws are tightened. Now, because of the position of this right here, you might want to tighten this bolt first, or screw rather. Tighten that one first, and then just turn it. Now, you'll take plug it back into the headlight, and then we're just going to reinstall. Now, 04 pluses, you probably want to, this is not the prettiest, but just to give you an idea, you want to notch that out so the fans will clear this part right here. So just notch that out just for extra security. So when you install your headlight, I'm going to slide it in like so, lift up the pin, and come over here. You want to get these right here that go inside here. So you just lift that up about here, push that in, Pop that down. And then take your 10mm bolt. Tighten everything back up. Okay, next, we're going to do the same pretty much on the passenger side. Remove our 10mm bolt. Pop off the clip. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the 3 screws that's on the back. Also note that this side of the headlight is the high beam. This side is the low beam. So the 9006s will go on this side. That should be the low beam. 9007s will go on this side. But we're just doing 9006. So we're just concerned on this side of the headlight assembly. And here we are. Nice install. You can hear the nice quiet fans from LED bulbs. These are 6,000 Ks. Now they look yellow on camera, but they're not. They're actually diamond white. Thanks Auxito for sponsoring today's video.